Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English. If you want fun and easy English for beginners, you are in the right place.
And if you are new here, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who is learning English too. It really helps our channel and keeps our podcasts free for you.
Today we're talking about sports. Playing sports, watching sports, loving sports, hating sports, all of it.
We'll give you simple phrases and vocabulary so you can talk about sports in English with your friends, your teacher, or even on a date.
Yes, imagine this. You are on a date. The person asks, "So, do you like sports?" And you say yes, and then silence.
Painful silence.
Awkward silence.
Silent movie silence.
After this podcast, you will not have that problem.
You will have words, English words, sports words. You will be ready.
Let's start very simple. The word sport in English is usually countable. We say a sport, many sports.
Listen to these examples. My favorite sport is basketball. I play 3 sports. I don't like any sports.
We also use sports in a general way. I like sports. I watch a lot of sports. Sports are fun.
Now, important question. Mia, do you like sports?
I like some sports. I don't like all sports. I like sports with a ball. And sports where I can still breathe.
So, no mountain climbing for you.
No. If I am climbing a mountain, something is wrong. Maybe a bear is behind me.
Okay, let's give you some useful sentences. Listen and think. Is this you? I love sports.
I'm not really into sports. Means you don't really like them, but in a soft and polite way.
It's a good phrase for small talk. You can say, I'm not really into sports, but I sometimes watch the World Cup.
Speaking of small talk, let's give you some easy questions about sports. Do you like sports?
These questions are easy and very common. You can use them with coworkers, classmates, or new friends.
Let's imagine a simple conversation. Do you like sports?
Too lazy to play is very honest.
Very real.
Now, some basic sports vocabulary. We'll go slowly. Try to picture the sport in your mind. Football or soccer. You kick a ball. You try to score a goal.
Let's show how to say what you like. I really like football.
I'm into is a casual way to say I like. For example, I'm really into volleyball right now.
Let's talk about playing versus watching. Many people love watching sports, but they never play.
Yes, people on the couch watching other people run. Classic.
Useful verbs.
Play is usually with a ball or a team. Play tennis, play football, play basketball, play volleyball.
Example sentences.
Now some frequency expressions so you can talk about how often you do sports. Every day.
Now some sample sentences.
I sometimes walk is the minimum sport.
It still counts. We support you.
Now, teams and players. Many people love a team. They support a team. They follow a team. Useful phrases.
Say you want to ask someone about their team. You can ask.
Maybe the person says, I don't follow sports. That means they don't watch or keep up with sports.
Example, I don't really follow sports, but I watch the Olympics.
Okay, let's talk about going to a match or a game. In some sports we say match, in others game. But for now, you can just remember these simple phrases. Go to a match.
Let's put them into short sentences.
They scored in the last minute is dramatic, but very normal in sports movies.
Now, some adjectives to describe sports.
Sample sentences.
Very important. You don't need to agree. It's fine to say, I think football is boring. People may not agree, but that's life.
And then they argue for 3 hours.
Next, let's talk about why people like sports. Very useful for longer conversations. Some reasons.
Examples.
Now, let's give you a short dialogue using these phrases. Listen and imagine. Do you like sports?
You can use this structure for any sport: football, basketball, tennis, baseball, anything.
Now, what about people who do not like sports? That's also normal. Useful phrases.
Example.
You can also say, I'm more into.
Now, injuries. Because when there is sport, there is pain.
Basic vocabulary.
I pulled a muscle is when a muscle says, no, I don't want this, and stops working.
Sample sentences.
And then, now I can't walk. I only watch TV.
Let's also talk about school sports, or sports as a kid. Very common topic. Questions.
PE means physical education, the sports class at school.
Example answers.
Now, some useful phrasal verbs and expressions for sports, but still easy. Work out, to do exercise, usually at the gym.
Warm up, to prepare your body before sport.
Cool down, relax your body after sport.
Get into, to start liking something.
Give up, to stop doing something.
Now, let's make a longer example with some of these. I wasn't into sports before, but I got into running last year.
That's a really good little speech about sports. You can copy that structure and change the sport.
Let's also practice comparing sports. Some easy comparison words.
Examples.
Watching sports is definitely easier. Sofa, snacks, zero risk.
Finally, let's give you a mini monologue that you can use as a model. Imagine someone asks you, do you like sports? Here is a full answer. Yeah, I like sports, but I'm not crazy about them.
And another example for a big fan. I love sports. I'm a big football fan.
And one more for people who don't like sports. Honestly, I'm not really into sports.
You can mix these examples to make your own style. Change the sport, change the reason.
Before we finish, let's quickly review some key phrases you heard today. I'm into.
That's a lot of useful language for simple, real conversations.
If you want to listen again while you walk, run, or go to the gym, save this video in your favorites.
And don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English so you don't miss the next episodes about everyday English.
Like this video if it helped you, and share it with a friend who wants to talk about sports in English.
Tell them, hey, you love football, but your English is terrible. Watch this.
Yes, say it with love.
Thanks for listening. Thanks for learning with us. And see you in the next episode of Pop Off English.
Bye, everyone, and good luck with your English and your sports.